Today, we're going to talk about the Greys, but also about Miley Cyrus. How are they connected? Over the last few years, images of certain celebrities have surfaced, which spark a lot of speculation. About what? About their appearance. There are drastic changes in their appearance that looks otherworldly sometimes. Many of them allegedly are using something called Ozempic. They start to look unnervingly thin. They have sunken eyes, elongated features, and again, they don't look like they are from this world. And what's up with the elongated hands, right? Now, this is what I thought as soon as I saw them. Is it just me, or do these people look like gray hybrids? The visual similarity immediately brought my mind to the mysterious alleged video interview with an extraterrestrial from Area 51. And I'm going to show you at the end. In that video, the supposed alien reveals something chilling, but also it makes so much sense. Basically, this being told the interviewer that it wasn't an alien at all, at least not in the traditional sense, but a human from a distant future. According to the being, humanity had reached this point where natural reproduction was no longer possible. Our species had become completely sterile. No surprise. So in desperation, these future humans that had also mastered time travel decided to return to our era, seeking genetic materials because they needed to save their species from extinction. And this was the claim to why the reason behind all of the alien abduction phenomena. People were taken, samples were extracted, and then they were returned home. Now, the majority of times, people don't remember. Their memory was swiped. Hence, Men in Black, the little pen. Yeah. And I think that the abduction stories we do hear about are just the people that were like divergent. Like the memory swiping didn't work on them, and so they remembered. And does anybody else remember the cattle mutilations? This is also tied to the same story. So future humanity required also bovine DNA as well. Maybe they didn't have anything to eat. No idea. But let's get into the story more because it's super cool. Or perhaps cows no longer existed on their timeline. Or because their biology held some essential key to correcting human sterility. So to enable these operations, the entity claimed agreements were made with President Eisenhower in the 90s. They made a bargain. Basically, they had permission to abduct a limited number of humans in exchange for certain technological advances. In fact, cell phones, computers, everything else. When did it happen?